Friends, today my topic is which are the most top websites from where you can get the videos or short clips which are non-copyright, which are free from copyright. There are most of the videos, if you add into your YouTube videos or you upload them to the YouTube channel, then you might get these copyright strikes. So I will show you top 5 websites from where you can get the videos or the clips for your YouTube videos to upload them to your YouTube channel, and you will not get the copyright strikes. So my first website is pixels.com. You can see here videos.pixels.com. Here you can search video of anything. You can search, for example, technology. On the technology, so here you can see free technology videos. This video is 2.27 minutes. You can upload this video to your YouTube channel. It will not give you the copyright strike. So, or you can add these clips into your original YouTube video. You will also not get any copyright issue. So friends, there are other categories also available: street, people, river, water. You can select any category and get a lot of free videos here. Okay, now the second website for the free videos is cover.co. As you can see here also the search option is here. You can write here, for example, technology. You want some technology videos, then it will give you a lot of technology videos here. Other categories are also available: food, mood, nature, tech, people, urban, animals, animations, or you can also take the free animations from here. These animations make your videos very good, so you can get a lot of animations from here also. The third website I have is pixabay.com. This is the website, pixabay.com. So here also you have a lot of free videos here. You can also search them. By typing here. For example, I write the same technology videos, enter, and you will get technology videos here. So this site also give you the free images also. You can see here images, photos, videos. So you can also get free images from this website. Now the fourth one is videvo.net. videvo.net. Here one thing you have to see is the license here. You have to click CC by 3.0 here. There are other options available here, but we normally use CC videos. CC means Creative Commons. So if you select the CC and you take the video from here, you see it is all free videos, so you will never get the copyright issue in your videos. So same, there is a clip type is available. categories are available, resolution is all available, so a lot of options there. So the fifth one site is lifeofvids.com. Here also you have to search option is available here. You can see the videos here. There is 35-second video, 43-second video, nature videos are here, so a lot of stuff you can find here. For example, this video you can add into a YouTube channel directly. You can add this clip into your original video. You can edit this video and add into the YouTube channel, so there will be no copyright issue for your YouTube. So these are the 5 websites. First one is pixels.com, second one scover.co, third one is pixabay.com, fourth one is widewo.net, and the fifth one is lifeofvids.com. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.